Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You have Gmail open and you know which email you want a link for. Now act. Click the conversation to expand it, then locate the small timestamp next to the message sender. That timestamp is the control that yields a unique view. Once you click the timestamp, the message opens in its own view and the browser updates the address bar. Make sure you're using the correct account, check the avatar, so the link references the right inbox versus another account. Now that the message is displayed alone, look at the address bar. Gmail appends a thread/message identifier after a hash like hash inbox or hash all and a long ID. That ID points directly to this message in that account and view. Select the entire URL and copy it Ctrl+C or CMD+C. Once copied, you can paste it into notes, a chat, or a ticket. Keep in mind that the link only works for people with access to that Google account or shared mailbox. Finalize by pasting the URL into a message and testing it in an incognito window or another browser while signed into the same account. This verifies it opens the intended message. If the link opens a blank page or inbox route, switch accounts or re-click the message timestamp and copy again. Account mismatch is the usual culprit. If recipients cannot open it because they lack access, forward the email or include a screenshot. Sharing the raw URL requires recipient authorization in Gmail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.